You ever hit that point where everything falls apart? Your money's gone. Your circle disappeared. And you're stuck staring at yourself wondering how the hell you got here. Rock bottom has a way of stripping everything, except who you are. This is where most fold. But if you're still breathing, you're not broken. You're rebuilding. Brick by brick. Scar by scar. Welcome to rebuild mode. Tap the link in bio. Let's rise again.
I'll be there through the highs and lows. We all know life gets tough when you're